morning all. How are you? Fine? Very good. Even I'm fine, thank you. So now it's time to begin our classes in a very refreshed mood after your results. So you all know that how you have performed in your tests, in your assessments. So I congratulate you all that you all have done really good. But this is not an end. It's a beginning of something new, isn't it? So as we have already resumed with our classes previous week, we have learned about something like more and less. You remember we have done the topic more and less in our previous week. So what is more? More means ज़्यादा. And what is less? Less means कम. So we have learned the comparison on the basis of their quantity. And today we are going to learn a new way of comparison. आज मैम आपको एक और वे बताएंगी कि कभी भी हमें अगर उन दो चीजों को उनकी width पे compare करना है तो how we are going to do that. So you all are prepared to begin with our classes? Okay, isn't it sound interesting to learn something new? Let's begin with our class then. So today is 28th September 2020. The date is 28. What is the meaning of this 9th year? The 9th month of the year, and that is September month. Yes, and the day is Monday, the first day of the week, Monday. And today we are going to do the topic of wide and narrow. So what is the name of our topic? Our topic is wide and narrow. Now, wide and narrow is जब हम कोई भी दो चीजों को उनकी width पे compare करते हैं. For example, so when you come to school we do exercises. So if I ask you raise your hands, आपने अपने hands को raise किया, you are able to raise your hands. आप देख रहे हो मैम के हाथ के बीच में कितना distance है? Now this distance, and if we do it like this, so distance दोनों hands के बीच का जो gap है वो पहले कम था. Gap means इन दोनों के बीच की जगह. Can you see? अभी मेरा face आ गया बीच में. So अभी distance is less, but now the distance is, the gap is more. More or less याद आ गया ना? तो less means कम. अभी gap कम है. Now the gap is more. That means it is wide. Wide means जब कोई चीज ज़्यादा चौड़ी होती है. Clear? And narrow means जब उसकी जो चौड़ाई है वो कम हो जाती है. That is called narrow. Now, can you see these two strips here? I have two strips on board. One is wide and one is narrow. अब आप मुझे बताइए कौन सी strip ज़्यादा चौड़ी है? Strip A. So this is our strip A. Clear? And this is our strip B. अब आप मैम को बताइए which one is more wide? Wide मतलब चौड़ा. ये वाला है, जब हमने इसको ऐसे किया ये गैप ज्यादा है इस गैप से, ये कम हो गया ना गैप हमारा. So when the gap is more, जब दो चीजों के बीच में गैप ज्यादा है. Now like I am holding my hand, straight है तो इन दोनों के दोनों palms के बीच में गैप कम है. Now when I am doing like this, palms के बीच का गैप increase हो गया. So this is wide, this is narrow. Understood? Narrow means जब gap कम होता है. Wide is when the gap is more. So अब यहाँ पे gap ज़्यादा है इस point और इस point के बीच में. So this is wide, and when the gap is less, this is called narrow. Understood everyone? What is wide and what is narrow? Okay, one more example I would like to give is this. See, I have drawn two roads. This is one road. अब एक road ये है and the other one is this. Can you tell me wide वाली कौन सी है जो चौड़ी ज़्यादा है? ये ज़्यादा चौड़ी है या ये ज़्यादा चौड़ी है? Which one is wide? This one is wide. I'll put a tick here. ये wide है हमारी. So wide is when the gap is more. अब क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा wide है, more vehicles can go. This one is wide. अब जो नैरो है उसमें से क्या होगा, लेस नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स कैन गो. अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल इज you all live in some colonies or in some sectors, so the road which is outside your house वो narrow है, वहाँ पे आपकी कार आराम से मूव कर सकती है. बट क्या वहाँ पे heavy vehicles like truck, buses, जो बड़े वाले vehicles होते हैं, can they move there easily? No, क्योंकि वो जो रोड है वो narrow है, पतली है. Clear? And if we talk about the highways, जो बाहर सिटी से बाहर जो कनेक्टेड होते हैं, they are wide, so that these heavy vehicles like car, like trucks, buses, और you can say जो बड़े वाले vehicles होते हैं, trucks, buses और the lorries, they can go easily. क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा बड़े होते हैं, they need a wider space. बड़ी चीज़ है, उसको क्रॉस करने के लिए चौड़ी जगह चाहिए, so they can go from there. Is that clear to all? So what is wide? Wide is when we have a bigger number of gap, जब हमारे पास large gap होता है. Narrow is when the gap is very less. Understood? Another example is if you see a window and a door. जो window का door gate होता है वो पतला होता है. It is like this. विंडो जो हमारी विंडो होती है वो ऐसे होती है, द हैंडल इज हियर. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आवर डोर, डोर हमारा थोड़ा सा बिग होता है, चौड़ा होता है, वाइड होता है. इजंट इट? हमारा जो एंट्री होती है वो वाइड होती है, बट विंडोज दे आर नैरो. विंडो नैरोज होती है, हमें विंडो से आना जाना नहीं होता है ना, वो नैरो होती है. बट द डोर विच इज द एंट्री डोर्स, दे आर वाइड. आपके घर का जो मेन एंट्री डोर है, योर हाउस मेन एंट्री डोर, व्हाई दैट इज वाइड? सो दैट अ कार और व्हीकल कैन एंटर इनसाइड. बट इज योर रूम डोर इक्वली वाइड? नहीं होता. इफ वी कंपेयर द टू, नाउ इफ यू आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन योर रूम डोर एंड द विंडो, अब आपका जो रूम का डोर है और आपकी विंडो को कंपेयर करेंगे, सो यू विल फाइंड योर विंडो इज नैरो. बट इफ यू विल कंपेयर योर room door, the door of your room, with the main gate of your house, the main gate is more wide, so that the vehicles can come and go out, like your four-wheelers, car, or you can say your cycles, scooters, bicycles, so they can go in and come out. But bicycles or car हमें room में तो नहीं लाने होते, so that door is little narrow than the main door. Understood? Now what is wide? Wide is chauda, when the gap is more, and narrow is bhida, or you can say patla, when the gap is less. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Now another example which we can give is if you have ever been you can see this example. Fine, I'll just take this only. अब ये देखो, ये आपको पतला दिख रहा है, isn't it? बट इसका ये पीछे वाला साइड थोड़ा सा चौड़ा हो गया, बिकॉज वो इसके अंदर जा रहा है ना. When something is going inside. Another example I would like to give is your bag and your book. Bag में book easily जा रही है, isn't it? So bag is more wide. Bag चौड़ा है, तभी तो you are able to keep your books. Are you able to keep your drawing files easily in the bag? No, because they are more wide than your notebooks or books. Clear the concept of wide and narrow? So wide means chauda and narrow means patla, or you can say bhida. Again I am repeating, what is wide? When the gap is more. Say with me, wide is when gap is more and narrow is when gap is less. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Now moving towards our today's book work. So work to be done on page number 21 and 22. Clear everyone? So I'll write here. So book page number 21 and 22. Clear? you are going to do your today's work here. How to do that work, I just tell you. Okay? So class, as I have told you, now open your number book 1. So this is your maths book, numbers book 1. Open this book on page number 21. See, page number 21 we have here. Now on this page, when you will see, you will find the topic wide and narrow. So as I told you, what is the meaning of wide? Wide is chauda, or when we have a big gap, more gap. And what is narrow? Narrow is when the gap is less. Clear? So wide is when we have more gap, and less is when we narrow is when we have less gap. Clear? Now moving towards this work, the first thing is we are going to write today's date. So today is 28th September 2020. This is our date and this is classwork. Clear? This is your classwork. So how we are going to do the work now? The question says, tick the wide thing in each set. Now what is the meaning of wide? Now when you have to do this work, you should be very much aware, or you should be clear the meaning of wide. So what is wide, class? Wide means when the gap is more. Yes. जब हमारे पास gap ज़्यादा है, that is wide, and when gap is less, that is narrow. So अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to take the wide objects, the thing which is wide in each set. So in the first we have 2 roads. Can you tell me which one is wide and which one is narrow? Just see and try to compare. उनकी width देखिए, उनकी चौड़ाई देखिए, and just tell me which one is wide and which is narrow. So see here, is this wide or this one is wide? This one is wide now. So what we are going to do, we'll put a tick here. Understood? Now next we have is 2 rivers, and we can see a small wooden bridge over it. So now tell me which river is more wide, this one, A or B? So we are going to name it A and this one as B. So which is more wide? Picture A is having a wide river or picture B is having a wide river? Chauda, the one having more gap. Yes, which is the correct picture? Picture B. So what we are going to do, I am going to put a tick here like this. Understood? Yes. Now see the example I just stated about the doors. So this is one door and this is another one. So you can call it as a main gate of your home and this is as the door of your room. So now tell me which one is more wide? मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, when we are going to compare 2 doors, so which one is wide and why? The main gate is more wide, so that the car or bicycle or scooters can enter inside. Because हमें वो रूम में तो नहीं लाने होते हैं, bedroom और drawing room and living room, so we have a narrow door, but our main gate is always wide. So what we are going to do? We are going to put a tick here. Done? See now, again I am showing you the picture which is having a tick is wide. So here this road is wide, isn't it? Then here we can say this river is more wide, and here this door is more wide than this. Understood? Again the meaning of wide is having more gap between. अब ये देखो, this is one side of the road, that is the one footpath, and this is the other one. There's the gap between these 2 footpaths. This one is wide and this one is narrow. Understood? Okay. Now moving to the next picture here, we have is page number 22. ठीक है, page number 22. So what you are going to do again? we are going to write today's date here. 28 September 2020. So this is our today's date, and we are going to write HW here. So one sheet is for your classwork and the other one for your homework. Now class, see here. Now can you see that we have to tick the narrow things in each set. What you are going to do? You are going to put a tick mark on the narrow things. The things that are narrow. So now here we have two pipes. Two pieces of pipes. So tell me which one is narrow. So what is the meaning of narrow? When the gap is less. What is the meaning of narrow, class? When we have a less gap. So now tell me which is narrow, picture A or picture B? Picture A is narrow. So what we are going to do? A tick here. Because we have been asked to put a tick mark. So we'll put a tick here on the narrow object. Now on the next one we have is, again we have two streams here. Which one is wide and which one is narrow? Picture A is wide and picture B is narrow, isn't it? Now tell me which is to be ticked. अब हमें किसको tick करना है? We have to tick the narrow one. So what we are going to do? I'll put a tick here like this. Done? Okay. Now see the last one. A boy is playing with a ball. So now what is the difference? Can you tell me? The difference is gap between the legs. आप उसकी legs को clearly observe करिए, बहुत ध्यान से see. Can you see the difference? The difference is the gap between his two legs. कि legs के बीच में कितना gap है. So which one is having narrow? किस picture में narrow gap है? Picture A is having less gap. So we are going to say it as narrow. Clear? So what we'll do? We'll put a tick here like this. Understood? So what we have done? On page number 21 we have done the work that we have understood what is wide. Isn't it? What is wide? Wide is chauda when the gap is more. And here we have learned what is narrow. Narrow is when the gap is less. And we have done this work understanding what is narrow. Clear everyone? So wide is, again I am asking you, wide is when gap is more. So here this wide. Wide is when gap is more and narrow is when the gap is less with us. Is that clear to all of you? Understood? So class, hope you have understood your today's topic. The topic is wide, narrow. So all of you just do this once with me. Wide and say when the gap is more. Narrow when the gap is less. Clear? So now think of few things near your surroundings. Just see them and compare that which one is wide and which one is narrow. So you can check it. You can compare your bed and your study table. You can compare your bed with your parents' bed, which one is more wide. Then you can compare the width of bed with the width of door or door and window. So just compare these things and understand and try to imply. Okay? So just enjoy your learning in this fun with these fun activities and keep learning new things. Meet you soon with something really new and interesting in the next class. Bye class.